asunto-osakeyhtiö Rietinharju.
Rietinkatussa Venäjän Kiviharju Lappeenranta.
So one of the most rare elevators in Lappeenranta, the newest Kone Novel elevators in Finland, or in the world, because I don't know any other ones from 2002 or
this
newer.
one is a bit broken, but not.
Yeah, and the second newest ones are from 2000.
The photos are really bad in this one.
Yeah.
It's so high and all in one.
In 2002, 871482.
But the indicator almost looks like a brand new.
Yeah.
It's so clean and doesn't have any scratches on it. It's in good shape.
Yeah.
The door is a bit slow.
Five per so 400 kilograms. This elevator is robot hydraulic. You can just.
I think we should also go to Rietinkatu so you can take the
Yeah.
very last one with the staircase key.
Yeah.
In my opinion, the door should be a bit faster.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it was made 1 year later, then it will be, or would be actually as old as those first Kone elevators with the KSS 400 fixtures,
Yeah.
like 470 and 20. Because the KSS series came out in 2003 and this is from 2002.
Yeah.
Only 1 year difference. And some of these kind of elevators are with the delta fixtures, but this is rare. Because it has Novel and M series.
Yeah.
But the M series is not rare, but
Yeah.
these kind of elevators are usually with those folding in doors.
Yeah.
This with automatic doors.
That's